Happy morning, children. Today we are going to see grammar part. Self-discipline begins with the mastery of your thoughts. If you don't control what you think, you can't control what you do. Let us start with this good thought. Self-discipline is very important. Yes, in the last video we were discussing about facts and opinions. Just go through and then go to the grammar. See, there are different sentences given. We are differentiating which is a fact and which is an opinion. There are 29 states in India. That is a fact, real thing, not of someone's opinion. It cannot change. Opinion means it will change from one person to another. One may say good, one may say bad. One may like yellow, one may not like. So, 29 states in India is a fact. But see here, red is brighter color than yellow. That is an opinion. 2 plus 2 equals 4. That will not change. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So, that is a fact. But salads are healthy is for some may get cold, some may not like salads. So it will change from person to person. There are 12 months in a year is a fact. But it is easier to write with pencil than pens is somebody's opinion. For me, pen is easier. Roses have thorny stems. That is a fact. Summers are better than winters. That is an opinion. Some people like summer and some people like winter, rainy. Okay. So do you understand what is fact and opinion? Opinion changes from person to person. The author's view is opinion. And fact is something which is scientifically proven or something which is real, which cannot change from person to person. Why should we read facts and opinions? See, whenever you read a story or read about great leaders, which I already mentioned, you should differentiate the author's opinion and the real thing. What is real and what is your view is different. So in author's view, you are reading, that's all. And you have to identify which is the correct one and when what is your opinion, that is different. So in lead video also you would have saw passage about Narendra Modi ji, which is telling about Modi's greatness. But that is the author's opinion. It changes from person to person. Yes, they have given this passage and the same passage we differentiated now. Okay. Now we are going to see prepositions. And connectors. These are the things we are going to see now. For what are prepositions? Prepositions are important short words that connect different parts of a sentence. Okay, in a sentence there are different parts. Okay, that is the subject, word, verb, object. You have adverbs, different things are there. They are connected by prepositions and they tell us the relationship between, they relate the people, places and things. Okay, that is prepositions. Different types of preposition are, it tells us a position. Yes, on, in, at, during, towards, near. These are all prepositions. Okay, so prepositions are short words that connect different parts of a sentence. Okay, parts of speech. Other connect pandrathu different parts, that is connected by prepositions. What are prepositions? Examples: on, in, at, during, towards, near. Preposition with. We all saw a boy who was making pictures with sand, which shows means used to do something. You are using sand to make. So that is explained here using the word with, how something is done. Preposition for. He was waiting for all of us to come. For shows the purpose or reason. We started splashing for fun. We all saw a boy who was making pictures with sand. The preposition which shows means used to do something or how something is done. Rakesh and Rimi had to submit their homework on 6th January. Why you are using this on here? That will be explained now. Why you should use on? On shows day and date. Okay. Shows position of a person, object. Shows the position. The book is on the table. Shows the day and date. At shows exact time. When exact time is given, you should use at. In shows part of the day. In the evening, in the morning. So in shows part of the day. At shows a particular time. Remember these three things. Towards. Towards means you're going in a direction. Towards. Near shows position. And during shows the duration of time. Now you understood? So on 6th January, on Monday, homework with black pen for Rimi. The position is near the canteen. Time is given at 3 p.m. Towards him. Okay, that is how you have to write. Now SVO we will see in the next video.